Let's start with sneezing. It happens when various irritants, such as dust and pollen, enter our nose. When that happens, our body automatically tries to clean the nose. Our lungs fill with air, after which the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles sharply contract, forcing the air out of lungs at a speed of up to 120 meters per second. The air is released through the nose, taking everything in its path with it. That's why you shouldn't resist if you feel the urge to sneeze. But try to block the sneeze with your elbow, because along with dust, you can sneeze out harmful bacteria and viruses at a distance of 3 meters.